Hey, this is Adam with MarineMax Lake Wylie. Today we're featuring the 2026 Yamaha 222XE. External features are in this beautiful white with this incredible red accent. Our nice powder coated black tower that's folding with tower speakers. Come on board, we'll take a closer look. Thanks for joining me on board this 2026 Yamaha 222XE. As you can see, the boat is featured in this incredible charcoal interior. We're going to jump in and go over all of these features, but before we do, you can see you've got this incredibly large swim platform back here with room for a table holder. And you also have your rear audio controls back here as well. Incredibly comfortable seat cushions covering your clean out ports, backrest, perfect for the sandbar. In each of these is some wet storage here that is drainable. You could use your imagination on whatever else you can store in there. Now we can see here, we've got our aluminum tower here. This is a sport folding tower. We do have our surf racks here and our Nertz tower speakers as well. The sound system in this boat is absolutely incredible. Come on through to the cockpit. We'll go over some more. As you come in, obviously you've got incredible seating. Both the co-captain and the captain's chairs are going to rotate to give you that nice U-shaped seating all the way around. You're going to have space for your table holder. Now in here we've got our engine compartment. Take a quick look at this. You can see we've got our twin 1.9 liter high output Yamaha engines, about 400 horsepower. You get a good look at your ballast system here that is all integrated. Storage throughout. I'll let you go over all of that when you come on in for your test drive. Now our flip up bolster on our captain's seat here. We've got our twin sticks. And now we come up to our 12.3 inch Connext screen. Incredibly easily to program your surf package. You can really customize this for each individual rider. Wireless charging. You've got some controls that are easily accessible for that Connext screen, and you've got your no wake mode here as well. Great storage over here on the port side, and you even have some more down here as well. All those little knickknacks. Tons of space here. You do have storage on either side as well. Trash can. Right now we've got the cover and your filler cushions for your bow seating. All of this bow area is able to be sealed off. Make it really comfortable for anybody to enjoy the ride. As I mentioned, all of this seals off. Incredible storage in here for everything that you're going to be looking for. Now come on up to the bow. We have our dedicated anchor locker here. Great feature that Yamaha does. Integrated stainless telescoping ladder. Storage throughout, incredibly comfortable for anybody. Lots of space to stretch out. I appreciate you joining me today. Again, my name's Adam with MarineMax Lake Wylie, and this has been the 2026 Yamaha 222XE.